Philippine Basketball Association Board of Governors has already given rain or shine the go signal to represent the country in next month's Asian Games in Indonesia. The core of the Elasto Painters will wear the national team colors in the Asians, with Filipino-American guard Jordan Clarkson possibly beefing up the team. However, this is no guarantee that the Cleveland Cavalier will play for Gilas Pilipinas. Philippine Olympic Committee President Ricky Vargas on Tuesday confirmed that the rain or shine core, along with Clarkson, had been included in the 18-man lineup that they will now submit to the Asian Games organizers in Indonesia. The original plan was for the TNT Cotropa squad, along with Andre Blatch, to represent the country. However, their participation was called into question after several members of the team were suspended in the wake of the Gilas Pilipinas Australia brawl. Last July 2nd, the Asian stint was also offered to San Miguel, but with the finals of the mid-season tournament scheduled to end by the second week of August, it would be impossible for the ball club to fully focus on the campaign. Thus, they decided to give the chance to the team that ended number 1 in the elimination round of the second conference. Rain or shine, the Asian officially starts on August 18.